Now let's look at how to shift a graph. We know if f of x is x squared, we know this is a parabola with the vertex in the origin 0, 0. Now, what's the relationship between those two? We know y equals x squared. With this one, y equals x minus 2 squared, then plus 1, has this kind of relationship. If here is minus 2, you want to shift 2 units to the right, to the positive direction, not negative direction. And 1 unit up plus 1 is 1 unit up. Okay. Previously, the vertex goes from, it was from 0, 0. Since 2 units to the right, so you want to do is basically you will add 2 on 0. Okay, you add 2 on 0. That will be 2 units to the right. And then 1 unit up, you will add 1 on y, because going up and down is y direction. So in this way, then 0, if you add 2, you will get 2. 0 add 1, you will have a 1. So the vertex goes from originally 0, 0 here, goes to 2, 1. Okay. Now here we have a f of x involved. F of x equals x squared. Then what is f of x minus 2? How does it look like? You know, if here is 1, here will be 1 squared. If here is 2, here will be 2 squared. Again, if here is 3, it will be 3 squared. So if here is x minus 2, then this x will be replaced by x minus 2, then squared. Okay? Add 1 on both sides, you will get that. Okay? So we have this in our mind, then we can look at this example. This example is y equals f of x. It doesn't matter originally how does it look like. It may be a parabola, it may be something else. This is the case in general now. Okay? Yeah. May not be even a parabola, can be any curves. Okay? Now if you look at that, y equals x plus 8 minus 1. Now here's plus. We want to write minus negative, because negative gives us positive. Okay? Yeah. Now look at this. This is x, f of x minus 2 plus 1. 2 units to the right, plus 1, 1 unit up. This one is x minus negative 8. So should be based on the principle, if here is minus 2, so 2 units to the right. And here is minus negative 8, so should be 8 units to the left. Okay? And then here is plus 1, is 1 unit up. Here is minus 1, so it's 1 unit down. We don't want this as 1 unit, so it's just 1 unit down. Okay? So that's the reason. If we compare this one and with this one, then it will be clear. So it has to be 8 units negative to the left, minus, so 1 unit down. Okay? Previously was plus 1 unit up, and then 2 units to the right. And here is negative, so 8 units to the left, 1 unit down. So you may write negative 8, 1. Okay? 8 units to the left, you may write like that. 1 unit down, that's negative. Now, previously, if you have a 0, 5 on this curve, based on the same principle, previously origin is 0, 0. So you add 2, add 1, you will get 2, 1. Now the same thing. 0, you want to add negative 8, you have a negative 8. 5, you want to add negative 1, so 5 plus negative 1 is positive 4. So previously, if the point is 0, 5 on f of x, now it goes to negative 8 and then 4 on which one? On this one. Okay, so you may write on y equals f of x plus 8 plus 1. Okay, oh, minus 1 here. Minus 1. Okay, so this minus is a big minus. Minus 1, minus 1. Okay, I'll see you next time.